Hello everyone, and welcome to tutorial 1 of the Small Business Accounting System. When you open the folder, you'll see the 14 files that make up the Small Business Accounting System, and you will open the March Business Cash Book. Some of you may have requested development to be done for different year ends, in which case you will open the very first cash book appearing on the list. You will enable content, left click, and any other enabling messages that may appear, you can left click to enable. The file will open on the COA worksheet within the cash book, which stands for Chart of Accounts, and the first thing you will do is enter the name of your business in the COA worksheet. By entering the name here, it will update all the other worksheets for the name of your business. You will always make sure that the month that is selected in this cell always agrees to the month of the name of the cash book, and then you can select whichever year that you will be preparing your cash book for the first time. You will then edit the chart of accounts to suit your particular business. You will see there is a comprehensive list of sales and other income and operating expenses that come standard with a product that you can edit and change to suit your particular business. By changing the names in the March Business Cash Book, or whichever cash book will appear first on your list if you've requested development for a different year end, it will automatically update these account names in the entire system where you will be using them. And that is why it's important to do this editing and changing in the first cash book, in this case, the March cash book in the Small Business Accounting System. The bank accounts that you'll be using in your system appear on row 98 to 104. That caters for your personal bank accounts, should you wish to control your personal expenses within the same system as you control your business expenses, or if you incur costs in your personal bank accounts for your business, it will be ideal for you then to include your personal bank accounts when you're using the Small Business Accounting System. The business bank accounts appear on rows 158 to 160. The debtors control account, which has a sub-ledger within the cash books, which we'll train you on later. The inventory stock account, which also is a sub-ledger in the A worksheet of the cash books, and the creditors control will be covered in later tutorials. But you can rename your bank accounts to suit your particular business on these rows. Please take careful note of the number of rows that indicate the maximum number of transactions that each of these cash books can cater for that would come through per month in your bank accounts, and rename your bank accounts to suit those number of transactions that are allowed. And that will apply to the personal bank accounts also. There's the number of rows that are catered for in each cash book for transactions per month per bank account, so please select carefully what you are going to rename the bank accounts to. There's a list of personal expenses that you can edit to suit your personal lifestyle from rows 105 to 133, and this entire personal section will all be allocated to your loan account within the system, thereby making it ideal to control your personal expenses at the same time as you control your business expenses. Please pay attention to the categories in column D so that you rename your accounts to fall in line with the specific categories as indicated. For example, you cannot change the name of the accounting fees account to a sales account because that account needs to be an expense. And all the way down in column D, you will see the category that you need to rename the accounts to fall within that category. The entering of your business name and the selection of the year and the editing of the chart of accounts is an initial setup and will not need to be done again. I look forward to speaking to you again in tutorial 2 of the Small Business Accounting System.